Hey everyone, Vinayak here. I have access to the Lenovo Legion monitor, which is the 27Q-10, and this is supposed to be a 1440p monitor with 240Hz refresh rate. So how well does it actually perform? Let's unbox and check it out. Unboxing, we first see the base stand, which features Lenovo branding and has great sturdy build quality, metal inside with plastic covering. The metal base, a DisplayPort cable, some screws, a power cord, and under that we have the monitor panel itself. First, let's attach the stand. We have the base which attaches like so to the back. And now this back attaches to the monitor here, which is the 100x100 VESA mount. These are thumb screws that allow to attach the arm to the monitor. Base stand attaches easily with a hand tightening screw underneath. I am using a screwdriver to make sure that it's tight enough. And here's the monitor ready for use. The whole body is polycarbonate and it is in black color. The OSD buttons are on the right side underneath. There is no joystick. This is a bit of a drawback as the whole monitor keeps wobbling whenever you press the buttons. The bezels are quite thin on the top and the sides. The stand is very stable and supports tilt, swivel, height adjustment and pivot. Pivot is not very easy, but it is doable. We have specific space provided for cable management. There are no built-in speakers in this monitor. For ports, we have two HDMI 2.1 ports, one DisplayPort 1.4, which is recommended for full 240Hz at 1440p, an audio out jack for headphones or speakers. Display performance wise, this is a 27-inch IPS panel with 1440p resolution and an 8-bit panel color depth. It covers 100% sRGB and 90% P3 color gamut. 1000:1 contrast ratio is typical for this IPS panel. Roughly 320 nits, which is normal for this price point, which is under 20,000 rupees. Then you have other key features such as MPRT mode, which is available through the OSD for 0.5 milliseconds response time, but it significantly reduces the brightness to about 180 nits, making it best only for use in dark rooms. HDR is supported, but I couldn't find much of a difference whether it was on or off. FreeSync, it comes with AMD FreeSync Premium to prevent screen tearing, and we have overdrive. 4 levels of overdrive are available to reduce ghosting in fast-paced games. Visual experience as an IPS panel, the viewing angles are excellent. The color production is great, making it good for content consumption and even light color grading tasks. Gaming experience, I tried out Black Myth Wukong and Doom Eternal, and it feels smooth thanks to the 240Hz refresh rate. So for 20,000 rupees, this is a solid option if you need 240Hz at 1440p. The main downsides are the stiff OSD buttons and poor HDR. It does come with 3-year warranty. So what do you guys feel? Is it worth it? If yes, make sure to comment your reasons why below. Also make sure to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when new videos are added. Thank you for watching and see you all next time.